Ah, Disney Orlando, the magical kingdom where dreams come true and where the price tag can sometimes feel like a nightmare. But fear not, fellow adventurers. You can experience the enchantment without emptying your wallet. Let's dive into some savvy strategies to make your trip to the happiest place on earth a budget-friendly reality. First things first, let's talk about planning. The earlier you start, the better your chances of snagging those elusive deals. Keep an eye on flight prices and be flexible with your travel dates. Midweek flights are often cheaper than weekend ones, and traveling during the off-peak season can save you a bundle. You might even find some great last-minute deals if you're feeling adventurous. Just remember, spontaneity can be a double-edged sword, so have a backup plan in case the prices skyrocket. Now, once you've secured your travel arrangements, it's time to tackle accommodations. Disney resorts are undeniably magical, but they can also be a budget buster. Consider staying off-site. There are plenty of affordable hotels and vacation rentals nearby that offer shuttle services to the parks. Plus, you'll have the added bonus of exploring the local area. Don't forget to check out platforms like Airbnb or VRBO for unique stays that can accommodate families or groups. Just imagine the fun of having a cozy home base to return to after a long day of adventure. Speaking of adventure, let's talk about park tickets. Buying them in advance is key. Websites like Undercover Tourist often offer discounted tickets, and if you're planning to visit multiple parks, consider a Park Hopper Pass. It allows you to experience more in a single day, maximizing your time and minimizing costs. And remember, kids under 3 get in for free, so if you have little ones, take advantage of that. Now, let's not forget about food. Dining at Disney can be a magical experience, but it can also drain your budget faster than you can say Mickey Mouse. To save money, pack snacks and refillable water bottles. The parks allow you to bring in food, so load up on granola bars, trail mix, and fruits. When it comes to meals, consider eating breakfast in your hotel or rental. A quick trip to a nearby grocery store can provide you with everything you need for a hearty breakfast. For lunch and dinner, look for quick-service restaurants instead of sit-down dining. They offer delicious meals at a fraction of the price. And don't forget to share. Portions can be generous, and splitting meals is a great way to save money while still enjoying the culinary delights of the parks. As you wander through the parks, keep an eye out for free entertainment. Parades, fireworks, and character meet and greets don't cost a dime and are often the highlights of the trip. Plan your day around these events to maximize your experience without spending extra cash. And if you're a fan of souvenirs, set a budget before you go. Instead of buying everything that catches your eye, consider picking one special item that truly represents your trip. It'll mean more than a pile of trinkets that you'll forget about once you're home. Transportation is another area where you can save. If you're flying, check if your hotel offers free airport shuttles. Once you're in Orlando, use public transportation or rideshare services instead of renting a car. Parking fees at the parks can add up quickly, so avoid that expense if you can. Finally, embrace the spirit of adventure and be open to spontaneity. Sometimes the best memories come from unexpected moments. Whether it's discovering a hidden gem of a restaurant or stumbling upon a street performer, allow yourself to enjoy the journey without feeling the pressure of a strict itinerary. So there you have it. With a little planning, some clever strategies, and a sprinkle of pixie dust, you can experience the magic of Disney Orlando on a budget. Pack your essentials, grab your loved ones, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure that won't break the bank. Visit bestonlinemerch.com for all your travel item needs. Like and subscribe.